Namaste. Raise your vibrations. Very, very important thing. This is the best thing you can do. If you learn how to raise your vibrations, within weeks, within months, you can actually start traveling towards your highest potential. If you're able to move towards your highest potential, naturally you can fulfill most of your aspirations, most of your dreams, and most of whatever you're capable of achieving in life. Problem is, most of the times our energy is frittered away in unnecessary things. We get caught up in emotions, situations, drama that has very little to give us, but it just draws from us. It just empties us of our, you know, awareness, of our energy, and our focus. So the breath of the Raise Your Vibrations program is very focused and it's very targeted, and it uses the breath so that whenever one is challenged by a situation, whether one is angered, one is depressed, or one is just upset, anything that is sucking energy out of you, by following what you learn in the Raise Your Vibrations program, you can extricate yourself from that situation, and you can start doing things that will take you towards your highest potential. You'll achieve so much more in your life. Your life will be so much more rewarding, as will be your relationships, as will be your creativity, and so on. And it's all possible with your breath. What we do here is we learn techniques to move our energy through the system so that we direct it the way we want. We do not get caught up in drama, situations, and so on. And conserve our energy, use it in a way that gives us our best results. Connect with the program, join the program, and learn the simple techniques that will help you achieve so much more, and you won't have to spend your life lying in bed feeling depressed, thinking about what someone did, what someone said, because there is no need for that. The past is gone. The future will come when it will come. But in the present moment is where you can use your energy to drive you to wherever you want. And it is your responsibility, your biggest responsibility to yourself, to use the opportunity of the present moment to drive you to where you want to go. I wish you all the best with the program. Join and raise your vibrations. Namaste.